Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel CNC for TDM. Today I am going to explain in this program uh, drilling cycle, canned cycle drilling G81 along with polar coordinates. So this is a component given here, and this is a top view and this is front view here, and PCD is 80 mm is circle diameter, and there are 6 holes on this PCD. These are 60-degree apart. 6 holes are there. The first hole is at 30 degree, then 90, then 150, and then it is at 210 degree, like that. So these are these holes we have to uh, drill in this component, and this is our tool. If you can see here, and this is our safety plane or R plane also we may call it, retract plane also we may call it. So now if you see here in the first line, O1000, O is represents program number, the number is 1000, program number 1000. Okay, then these are sequence numbers here. N1 our header, G54, you know it, what is G54, work offset, and G90 is absolute mode, G94 feed in per minute, and G21 means all the dimensions are in millimeters. So this is our header, and then in next line if you see G17 means XY plane. In XY plane we call T01 tool number 1. This tool we have called M06. M06 is for a tool called T01 M06. We have called this tool number 1. So, and then in next line you see N3 M03. M03 is spindle on clockwise. S1000. S is RPM of the cutter, RPM of the drill. This is 1000. And M09 is coolant on. So in next line if you see here, N4 G28. G28 is home position, X0, Y0, Z0. From X0, Y0, Z0 taking this mediator point, it comes to home position tool. Then in next line N5 G0 X40, sorry, Y40 X0. So then from home it comes to which position? Y and X. Y is 40. This is because this piece circle diameter is 80. So this position of this hole is at 40, Y40 and X0. So this is the first hole. Okay, Y40 X0, and then it comes to in G0 mode itself. That means it is in rapid mode. It comes to Z5. From that height it comes to Z5. Z5 this height. So up to this it comes in rapid mode and rapid feed, like this up to this point. So then because now it is a retract plane, and tool will come in cutting field below this point. Okay, it will take depth here. So next is, now it is drilling cycle, canned cycle drilling G81. G81 Z minus 12. This is depth of the component, Z minus 12 total depth. R3 is retract plane here, 3 mm. This each time it will come to this and then it will go to next hole, like that. R3 F200. F means feed. Feed is 200 mm per minute. This is the feed, cutting feed. Okay. And in next line, if you see here, N8 G16. G16 means polar coordinate. Now the program is in polar coordinates. All lines are in polar. Okay. What it means? Next line, if you see, X40 Y150. Because it is in polar, this X and Y will behave as R and theta. The X is radius R, or this radius PCD R40. Y 150 means Y is angle 150. So if you take this 0, 30, then 90, after 90, 90 plus 60, it becomes 150. So this, it will come to this hole here. So X40 Y 150. So position of this hole, it will drill this hole. Then in next line, X40 Y 210. After 150, then this hole is at 210 degree, because this line is a 180 degree. 180 plus 30, it becomes 210. Okay, 210. Then next is 210 plus 60, 270. Next. So this hole is this hole is at 270 degree. Okay, X40 and Y 270. Next hole, and 12, X40 Y 330. 270 plus 60, this hole is at 330 degree. So this is 330, Y 330. Okay. Then next, in line number 13 and 13, X40 Y 30. Then next, this hole is at 30 degree. Y 40 means R radius is 40 and angle is 30 degree. 30 degree. Okay. And in next line, N14, G15. G15 means now it is off. This polar coordinate is off. So polar coordinate off, and then in next line, N15, G80. G80 means can cycle is also cancelled. So all holes we have drilled, can cycle is cancelled, and then in next line, G28Z0. So tool will come to home position. After taking this 0, Z0, taking as a point, it will come to Z0 and then it will go to home position. And then in next line, M30. M30 means program stop, coolant off, spindle stop, everything stops. M30, everything stops. So this way we can make a drilling program in canned cycle. Canned cycle is there, G81, and polar coordinates are also there. So because these all polar coordinates are with respect to the origin. Origin is this here, X0, Y0 is your center point, and with respect to center point we have taken all the coordinates. So this way we can make this program like this. So I think now you have learnt it, and thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe. Meet you soon in next video. Thanks.